Did you know you can do a blowout with a flat iron? I've been seeing the girlies doing this, so I had to try it. On this side, I'll do my usual blowout, and then on the other side, I'm going to try the flat iron. So first, heat protectant always on both sides, duh. Then I section my hair and blow it out as usual. You can also use a round brush and a blower for this, but it's whatever your preference is. Use a Dyson, I don't care. As long as you're using some nice tension to smooth it out, then you add rollers, you're good. Then on the other side with the flat iron, you're basically smoothing out the hair and then bumping the ends. I saw some videos where they curled away from the face, so I tried that first. Then I tried towards my face, which I actually liked a lot more. Then I added rollers to the side as well to give it that hold. I also used some clips like they do at the salon just to see what it was giving. So I did that all over this side and I just let it sit for 15 minutes and then I took it out. As you can see, the blowout side is giving that volume, that body. She's voluptuous. And then on the other side, you can already tell there's not as much volume, but that little bump on the ends is kind of giving the illusion that it has more texture, more volume, more body. I was actually kind of shook at how similar they look. Like, I was impressed. Personally, I think the blowout side gives obviously more volume, but the flat iron side does take a lot less time for a similar effect. So let me know if you would try this, what you think, which side do we love?